Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make slime with slime shakers and it is gonna be too much fun. So let's get started. So first we have to add in the powder in this tiny box. Oh, this is falling. Okay. We have to add in all of the powder. Okay, so guys, now I have poured the powder in this. Now we have to pour in the water till this point. As you can see here, till this point we have to add the water. We have to close its lid and shake till 1 minute. Okay, so guys, the 1 minute is up and we have to open its lid and keep it for 5 minutes. I will show you when my 5 minutes are over. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Oh, a timer is beeping. Alexa, thank you. Alexa, stop. Okay, so guys, our slime is ready and I'm really excited to touch it now. Let's take it down. It's so beautiful. Wow. It's super stretchy also. It's super jiggly also. Now, let's add in the glitter. Okay, now it's finally opened. Let's add. It's looking so beautiful. See you guys. Wow. See? The stars are looking so beautiful in the slime. So, let's do some ASMR. Wow. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.